Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come on and talk to y'all about how I got monetized and how you could get monetized in 30 to 60 days, because it's not always 30 days. So I don't want you to be like, oh, Maya said that it's 30 days, la la la. Everybody's different, right? So this is what you have to do. I'll be right back because I don't want to get copywritten for her cartoons. All right, guys. So I, as you see, am in a beautiful bathroom. Yes, because my daughter is watching TV and it's very loud. I don't want to get copywritten. So like I was saying before, let me sit down. This is how you get monetized in 30 to 60 days and make money. So I made with my first check, I would say like 1,000, like 1,500, I think it was. I don't know, but I wasn't posting like all the time. So what I did when I first started, I went on I went on this site called Fiverr. I'll put it right here. And I paid like $20 basically to learn about YouTube and posting on YouTube from people that have posted earlier. Before I did that, I went on YouTube, obviously, and I learned and watched people that had like a lot of likes, a lot of subscribers, and basically they was talking about the same thing I'm talking about, how to make money on YouTube. So I was like, okay, if they're doing it, I can do it. But I didn't know what I wanted to talk about, right? But I started my channel because I was going through a lot of depression, a lot of loss. People were dying in my family, and it was a lot going on. So that's why I needed an outlet. That's what I did. So if this is you, start your channel. Just start posting, you know what I mean? Just pick up your phone. If you don't have a camera, like I said, you don't need a camera. You don't need a celebrity style camera. Just be yourself. Get on camera and post. Okay? In the morning, you brushing your teeth. You see everybody doing that. Post. It's just like Twitter. Remember Twitter? Twitter was like basically they tweet everything they do all day long. You could do that with YouTube because there's some people that are bedbound. They're home. They have these incurable diseases that they can't get out of bed. They are overweight. You don't know. It's a lot of things. They're sick. And they need something to watch so they can relate to you. They need to look at something. So if you're going through something and you have some kind of incurable sickness, illness, I don't want to say incurable illness. I don't want to say that D word because I don't know. YouTube, they want to strike you for a lot of things, but get online, talk about it. How do you cope with it? How do you deal with it? What do you take for it? What do you do in a day? What do you eat in a day? Can you sleep at night? How do you sleep? Do you take melatonin? Do you need sleeping aids? Things like that. It's just going with the flow. So I would say go on different sites if you need help, if you need like a mentor, but you just starting. So your mentor could be like me, like someone that's been on YouTube for a long time, like someone that knows what to do. You understand? Email them, reach out to them. I usually comment on like 8 to 10. I give myself like 8 videos, right? The person has no choice but to reply and comment, because what you don't know is that when you like, subscribe, and comment, that's why people say like, subscribe, and comment. That gets YouTube going, the algorithm. It lets YouTube know like this person has something valuable. This person is talking about something that people want to hear. This person is wanting to help others. This person likes posting videos. This person is on this niche, so let's send her to here. Let's put her in this category. Or this person is posting about this. Or, things like that. Algorithm. So I got to 1,000 subscribers, I believe, in like 8 months. But then it's just shot up. So when you're constantly focusing on my subscribers, you already know energy is energy. So if you're focusing on energy, like making it feel like it's cluttered, like you're suffocating it, just like with a person in a relationship, they're gonna run away, right? Run a chaser. You don't want to do that. So just relax, go with the flow. You're gonna get it eventually. If you keep posting, you're gonna get views. Even if you get 1 or 2, you're gonna get 5 or 6. You're gonna get 20, 40, 60, 80. It's gonna go up. You post shorts, right? Post a short. Do some little silly thing. You know, people, they like to watch funny things. Doesn't even matter if this person is not a nice person. They will laugh. Everyone loves to laugh. If you don't have the money to go on Fiverr, if you don't have the money to go on any site or get a mentor, just start posting. If you don't know how to edit, start looking up on YouTube how to edit my videos, how to make a thumbnail, how to successfully have a YouTube channel, how to be successful on YouTube. Look up these little keywords and try to have those keywords in your description box. Like, that's another video also. Things that you need to put in your description box. Things, tags that you have to have so that YouTube could push out your videos. You know, it's not only posting, obviously. It's a whole bunch of other things. But I can't talk about all these things at one time. But listen, if you want to make 5,000 to 10,000 when you first start, you can make more. Just be consistent. Be consistent, because that's the secret. That is the secret. Be consistent and be authentic. Don't be fake. Don't try to be like her. Don't try to be like me. Don't try to be like the next girl or the next guy. Don't try to do that, because other people know when you're not being genuine. Like, if you're trying to be put on a mask and do all of this stuff that narcissists do, don't do that, because a lot of people, they have already faced narcissists and they know they see through the veil. Don't do that. So find a niche, which means a niche means a topic, something that you do, okay? Basically, your skill set is, what are you going to be? You're going to be vlogging. You're going to be family, about a family channel. Are you going to be cooking channel? Are you going to be a vegan channel or juicing channel? Are you going to be exercising? Are you going to be motivational? Are you going to be having motivational speeches? Are you going to talk about life topics? Are you going to talk about yourself? Like, what are you going to do? See? Are you going to be eating on your channel? A lot of people be doing that stuff. They be eating crab legs and doing all that slurping. I'm not even with that. But if you like that, you could do it. Listen, do what you want to do. I'm not here to judge. That's not my job. I'm just here to help you. So in this year, we're going to make this money. All right? This money. Just be consistent. Start. All you got to do is start. I'm tired of people saying they're going to start a channel or they could do this, giving me advice on my channel. Honey, I don't need your advice, because you wasn't with me shooting in the gym. Hey, so I just want to let y'all know, be yourself, do what you got to do. All right. So in my next video, we will be talking about how to edit, right? How to edit a YouTube video. What are some good apps to edit on, and what tags you should be putting in your description box. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Let me know how I did. I know there's like 3 different pieces, because y'all already know I'm a single mom. So life is lifing. All right. My daughter is everywhere, and I can't even move around sometimes. I'm so tired. This is the most important part. I almost forgot, guys. Your video has to, without a doubt, for you to get monetized and start making money, be 10 minutes. It has to be 10 minutes. That's the minimum. So you are going to be partnering with YouTube. You're going to be in a YouTube partnership, but you're not going to get that invitation until you reach the guidelines, which is what I told you. Did I tell you? I believe it's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I believe so. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's still it. I know they've changed it, because now they have shorts. You get paid doing shorts, but that's like 1 million shorts. 1 million likes on your shorts. Sorry. It's so much new things. Like, I cannot. But listen, your video has to, without a doubt. That's why you'll see my videos 10 minutes. Like, these videos, I'm only going to do 10 minutes because I know that people's attention span, they have kids, they doing different things. You looking at me at work. I don't know where you watching me, but thanks for watching me. I appreciate you. So just make sure it's 10 minutes. Do something that lasts for 10 minutes. I don't care what you do, honey. Get it done. So once again, thank you so much for even clicking on my channel and being here this long. All right, y'all can put a little unicorn in the comment section, because I love unicorns. Or you could put A sunflower, because I love sunflowers. I